We are at Plymouth State University, where the robotics class is trying to fix our robots. They're supposed to emit noises and sounds to control the bird and wildlife populations at our landfills, but they stopped working and need a modern-day update.
It actually all started with COVID, as a lot of things happened during COVID. We had a company that was maintaining them. They were actually out of Canada. Because of the fact that they couldn't come from Canada anymore, we ended up having to shelve the robots for a time. So we decided, what if there was an educational program that would take this on?
I think we've got really great engagement with this project. I find that you can give as many tests as you want, but you really need the students to have a hands-on experience.
This is great because it's hands-on. It's a system I'm not familiar with, and it has a real-world function. That's my bread and butter. I love taking stuff apart and finding out how they work.
A lot of the robot is savable, just not the brain. And we can more easily now, 10 years later or so, design to that goal and use a modern solution.
This class is more or less, we have this actual problem that really needs to be solved. How are we going to do this? There's no guidelines of how to do this.
So the insides are new, the outsides are the same, weatherized. And we've gotten that far. We have some coding to do.
It is nice to know that it's for a good purpose. When we get this up and running, they plan on putting this back into their landfill systems.
We've had an extraordinary experience working with Casella as far as an example for the students to know what to expect from people and interact with people and where the bar is set and being interactive. I think that has been extraordinary for them.
I am an alumna of Plymouth State University.
I love the idea of going back and working with my old college.
I think as we get into the spring semester with the idea of having a deployment date, we'll be riding the wave.
It's fun to see the progress. I think we're excited to see what happens in the spring. I think we'll be doing some testing.
It's just cool to see, instead of just, okay, I'm getting a grade on this, it's okay, I'm getting a grade on this, but also, this is something that I can say I've actually done with my life.